Welcome to practical task number 1, service plug removal. In this task, you'll learn to safely disconnect the service plug from a high-voltage battery system, a critical skill for working with hybrid vehicles. Before starting, ensure you're wearing the required protective gear, including insulating gloves and safety glasses, and are familiar with the high-voltage battery pack's components. Before beginning the preparation for the safety plug removal, turn off the hybrid vehicle by pressing the power switch. The ready indicator should go out on the instrument panel. After turning off the hybrid vehicle, you need to wait 2 minutes before proceeding with any further actions. During this time, you can take the opportunity to prepare your safety gear. Pay attention in every hybrid electric vehicle repair procedure. The first step is to use safety gloves and glasses. Begin by visually inspecting the protective gloves and inflating them to ensure there are no holes. First, after turning off the hybrid power switch, wait for 2 minutes and then check that both the ready indicator and the relay indicators are off. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery and put on your safety gear. Now, you are ready to proceed with further action. Once everything is set, you can now safely remove the safety plug. Push the switch up, pull the lever back, and remove the plug. Keep the removed service plug in a safe place to prevent other technicians from reconnecting it while you are servicing the vehicle. After removing the service plug grip, avoid touching the high-voltage connectors and terminals for 10 minutes. This waiting period is necessary to allow the high-voltage capacitors to discharge fully. Only after this time are you safe to begin working with electric/hybrid vehicle components. After waiting 10 minutes, measure the voltage output from the battery in the inverter. If the voltage reads 0, it indicates that the system is completely discharged and it is safe to proceed with work on the high-voltage battery system. Now you can safely plug the safety plug back in. Follow the provided sequence for reconnection. After reconnecting the service plug, the 205.5-volt indicator will turn on, indicating that current is flowing. Then reconnect the 12-volt battery's negative terminal. Once connected, the power indicator will appear, indicating that the system is ready to start. You can then turn on the stand by pressing the power switch.